Hey guys, on this video, I'm going to show you how to hide a chat from everyone, including yourself. Now, to do this, go ahead and open the WhatsApp application. Now, you notice I already locked a chat. Now, let's go ahead and lock a different chat. Let me assume this particular one right here. Click and hold. Click on the three-dotted icon, and then I am going to do lock chat. Now, you are going to actually need a PIN. If you haven't created one, go ahead and do so. Create a PIN or a lock so that you'll be able to open and access your chat. Now, when you move up, somebody can easily see that you've actually locked a chat right there. If you do not want people to know that you locked a chat, this is what you need to do. Click on lock chat, open it, and then it's going to display all of the chats that you've locked. Now, to actually have this hidden, you notice on the top area, the three-dotted icon right there, click on it and then go over to chat lock. Now, from chat lock, go ahead and enable hide chat lock. Now, if you click on enable chat lock, you notice it says hide your chat lock with a secret for more privacy. Then you click on create a secret. Now, whichever secret code you want, you can actually make use of. So I'm going to say 000 for this my own. You can go ahead and use any one that you prefer. Okay, it has to be 4. Okay, I'm fine with this. And then it's saying a secret code lets you find a secret chat, blah, 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 blah. So create a secret code. Then done. Now you notice you are okay. I'm okay with this. So back out and back out even more. And you notice it's no longer displaying. Initially, it happens to be that whenever you lock a chat, somebody is going to know that you actually locked a chat. Now you cannot see it. Then how do you actually see that particular chat that is hidden? So on this area, on this search area, go ahead and search for your secret code, which is 4. So hit it, and then you are going to see it say locked chat. Click on the lock chat and you are going to see all of your locked chat. That, guys, is how to hide a WhatsApp DM or a WhatsApp chat for everybody, including yourself. So if this video helped you, smash like, save a life today, share it to your friends. I will see you on the next one, and make sure you subscribe. Stay safe and peace.